Hey guys, if you're looking to start your data analytics journey, Microsoft Power BI is one of the best tool out there. But before we download it, let's go through the pricing of Microsoft Power BI. If you jump into their site, you will see all sorts of pricing tier. The good news is you can start with the free account. This gives you full access to their Power BI desktop application on your computer along with the basic cloud features. The only limitation here is you won't be able to send your desktop or the reports directly to your clients and colleagues. Now, if you're working in a team and you need to share your reports, that's where you need paid plans. The paid plans are Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. The main practical difference in these two paid plans are data refresh limits. The Pro tier let you refresh your data 8 times a day, while the Premium allow you to refresh up to 48 times a day and also let you work with a much larger dataset. For learning purpose, you can start with free tier. By the way, you might see mention of Microsoft Fabric on pricing page. Don't worry about this for now. The basic tier of Power BI and the Fabric is identical. Now let's go ahead and actually get the Power BI installed. Navigate to the products menu, select Power BI desktop and hit the download button. Another way to get Power BI installed is using Microsoft Store. This is usually the easiest way because Microsoft Store handles update automatically. You just need to click on install and it will set up itself in a few minutes. However, if your Microsoft Store is throwing errors, there is an easy workaround. You just need to click on advanced download options. This will take you to a direct installer page. You will notice two files available here. One is a 32-bit version, another is a 64-bit version. So unless you are running on a very old system, go ahead and take 64-bit version and it will handle the data much faster. So once the installation is completed, let's open up the Power BI desktop. Once the start screen pops up, it will give you a few options to pull data from Excel, SQL Server or OneLake. So for this particular demo, just open a blank report and that's it. The Power BI is installed, configured and ready to use for your first data project. If you ran in any issues while setting up the Power BI on your system, just drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.